This is a 2013 Volkswagen EOS. This convertible has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a built-in iPod integration cable, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a locking differential, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, a power retractable hardtop, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an interior wind deflector, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pollen filter, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.